So Dr. Frost is might be a doctor. He is a government doctor. He has been retired. After retiring, he started his own clinic with rupees 10,000 and a loan taken 15,000 of 9% interest. And he gave us a summary of a cash book at the end of 31st December 2005, and wherein his private income expenses were recorded to show the further income brought into the clinic. Means here in this particular problem, he is getting his private income into the business. So what is the private kind of incomes which he is getting into the business, that we are going to record and we'll convert into the capital. How? That we'll see. He gave capital, it's a liability. Loan from Elmer is a liability. Consultant fee is a income. Visiting fee is a income. Lecture fee is a income. Pension with what ma? Pension means it is a personal income. Usually pension is not given to the clinic. Pension is given to the person. So here the pension is his personal means doctor's income. So we'll see what he is doing and what I'm going to do it. And then next he gave is interest on investment, that to personal it seems. So what's that again? We'll do it. I'll tell you. Now on the credit side, he gave medicines, which is expenditure. Surgical equipments is an asset. Then motor car is a asset. Motor car expenses is again a expenditure. Wages and salaries is expenditure. Rent is a expenditure. General charges is a expenditure. Then he gave household expenses. Household expenses is not a expenditure, right? Household means what? Personal. So what it is, what we are going to do? Household furniture he gave again. So what all we do this one? So that we are going to see. Then he gave private function. So what's that we are going to do it? That we'll see expenses from the private function itself. So what's that we are going to do, that we are going to see here. And then he gave interest on a loan. So that we are going to see interest on a loan. Then cash in hand, cash at banks he has given. So that we are going to take in again balance sheet asset side. Okay, so first I'm going to take income side things. So first is by consultation fee. Just now capital and a loan will take in the liability side, I said. So that's why I'm not taking those directly. I'm taking consultation fee. Then again, I said visiting fee is also a income only, because doctor sometimes visits. If a patient can't go or come to the doctors only visit. So that kind of income is an income. And then lecture. So usually the doctors will be called for some kind of seminars or some kind of guest lectures. So that income is also income. So then pension is not a it's an income but not a business income. That's why I'm not going to take here. I'm going to show this pension and personal incomes, everything where his amount stands, capital, that side only. All these things I have to show. So capital will be in the liability side. Personal income, పర్సనల్ ఇన్కమ్ మీన్స్ ఇప్పుడు బిజినెస్ చేసేటప్పుడు బిజినెస్ కి సంబంధించిన ఇన్కమ్స్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్స్ మాత్రమే బిజినెస్ యొక్క అకౌంట్స్ లో చూపించాలన్నమాట. పర్సనల్వి చూపించకూడదు. పర్సనల్ ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I am teaching in a college. So that is my professional income. Ade nenu ganaka, if I am taking a tuitions at my home, so that is not a income which I'm earning from college. It is my personal income. Ante na swataga nenu na kosam ante extra expenditures kosam nenu alla chesedi na personal income అవుతుంది. సో నేను యాడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తామా లేదా అనేది కొన్ని చూస్తాం అనమాట. సో బిజినెస్ కి సంబంధించి అంటే ఈ ఇన్కమ్ ఆ ఇన్కమ్ నేను యాడ్ చేయను. ఆ ఇన్కమ్ సపరేట్, ఈ ఇన్కమ్ సపరేట్. సో అలాగే ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ డాక్టర్ కి పెన్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఆ గవర్నమెంట్ సర్వీస్ చేసినందుకు ఇస్తారనమాట. సో అది అతని పర్సనల్ ఇన్కమ్ అవుతుంది. బిజినెస్ నుంచి వచ్చిన ఇన్కమ్ కాదు, గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి వచ్చిన ఇన్కమ్ అది. ఓకేమా? Then medicine. So medicine, here he gave in the backside adjustment, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2005 and a balance sheet as on that day for the clinic. 1/4 of motor car expenses should be treated as private expenses annadu. And then 1200 of wages and salaries were in the respect of domestic servants and stock of medicines on hand is 1825 అన్నాడు. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం తీసుకోవాలి. సో మెడిసిన్స్ హౌ మచ్ హీ గేవ్ యాక్చువల్గా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో మనకి 9,250 ఇచ్చాడు. సో అందులో ఏమన్నాడు స్టాక్ అంట. సో క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ మనం మైనస్ చేసి బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో కదా తీసుకోవాలి. అందుకే వాడు చెప్పిన స్టాక్ ని నేను మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఎంత చెప్పాడు మనకి స్టాక్ 1825. సో చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది నాకు అప్పుడు 7425 వస్తుంది. దెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ సర్జికల్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ నేను ఇందాకే చెప్పాను అది అసెట్ నానా తీసుకోము ఇక్కడ అసెట్ లో తీసుకుంటాం వదిలేసేయండి. మోటార్ కార్ కూడా అసెట్ లోనే తీసుకుంటాం. మోటార్ కార్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా అది మాత్రం ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో అది తీసుకున్నాను. అది తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మోటార్ కార్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ నాకు ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు 2487 ఇచ్చాడు. అందులో వాడు ఏమన్నాడు మళ్ళీ 1/4 పర్సనల్ అన్నాడు. సో 1/4 పర్సనల్ అంటే బిజినెస్ కి సంబంధించింది కాదు కదా. సో మరి అలాంటప్పుడు అది తీసేయాలా. పర్సనల్ అనేది మనం వాడి అకౌంట్ కి వేసేయాలన్నమాట. వీ హ్యావ్ టు వెరీ స్పెసిఫికలీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ టు హిజ్ అకౌంట్. సో వాడి అకౌంట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది క్యాపిటల్. అందుకే ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకెళ్లి క్యాపిటల్ లో దాని డీలింగ్స్ చేస్తాం. సో ఎంత వస్తుంది 1/4 అంటే 2487 డివైడెడ్ బై 4 చేస్తే 261.75 సంథింగ్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్. సో 22 ఐఎమ్ మేకింగ్ ఇట్. So it will be 1865. Then wages లో కూడా ఏదో అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు. wages and salary అని చెప్పేసి how much is that he gave ఇంత ఉంటే వాడు ఎంత పర్సనల్ అన్నాడు డొమెస్టిక్ సర్వెంట్స్ కి ఇచ్చాడంట. డొమెస్టిక్ అంటే ఇంట్లో వాటి కోసం కదా. నువ్వు బిజినెస్ సర్వెంట్స్ వేరుంటారు డొమెస్టిక్ సర్వెంట్స్ వేరుంటారు. బట్ ఇందులో ఇన్కమ్ అందులో ఇన్కమ్ తారుమారు చేస్తా అంటే ఇట్స్ అ రాంగ్ థింగ్ నో. సో దట్స్ వై that again we are separating because it is again a personal. Then rent I'm going to take it. Then after rent general charges. General charges how much 650. Then again after general charges household expenses ఇక్కడికి సంబంధించింది కాదు. household furniture కాదు. private కాదు. yes to interest. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ లోన్ మనకి ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మా 1000. మరి ఒక్కసారి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. నేనేమన్నాను ఎల్మర్స్ లోన్ 15,000 అట్ అ రేట్ ఆఫ్ 9% స్పెసిఫిక్ గా చెప్పాడు. సో కాబట్టి హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సి 15,000 మీద 9% ఒక్కసారి చూడండి నాన్న. How much you are getting? 1350 you're going to get it. 1350. Yes. So in that he gave only 1000 means what? The balance of 300 is still has to be get no. So what we have to do 1000 he has to get still means it's called as what? Outstanding ane kada antam manam dani. So that's why here I have written as outstanding. How much? 350 is missing. Oh. సో అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది 1350 అవుతుంది. Any other things? No, nothing else is there. So we can close it. Now please find out how much is the totals. Is anybody finding? Did anybody get it?
$24,580, ma'am.
Yeah, right. 24,580. And total, Nana?
39,950, ma'am.
Yeah, right. So 39,950 here. 39,950. Done. Yeah, right. Now we'll go to this side. That is, I said no, capital is a owner's capital. So every personal we are going to show it here. So now how I'm showing all the missing and all the personal, see here. So first I think what the benefits he got, first I'll take, then expenditures will talk. First we'll see the benefits, and all the benefits is shifting to the business only. What he said, all the personal incomes how were recorded to show the further capital brought into the business, it brought into the clinic itself. So whatever he has earned a personal income, that all he is transferring to the business it seems. So that's what here we are going to see how these capital which was earlier as 10,000 now how it's turned to something else, that I want to know. So first and foremost, as we know, we'll add surplus, which is 24,580. Then else what he has earned, which we missed out from the cash book. That is capital we took, Elmer's loan will take it. Then pension and interest on investment. We missed that we have to take. So here I'm adding his pension. So how much is pension? 3,600. Someone keep on add. There are so many transactions, so keep on add. Interest on investments is also income for him. So that also I'm going to add here 2,700. Then I'm going to start minusing other things. What all those minus means? Household expenses. First is what? House expenses. So how much is the house expenses? 2,675. Then house furniture. So how much is a house furniture? It is 820. Then private function expenses. So private functions. So how much is that private functions? It is some 4250. Then again in our this thing also we had a in the motor car we had divided 1/4. So motor expenses 1/4, which we have minus the 1/4, 1/4. So how much we got in that? 622. That will minus. Then again wages, in that wages also we have minus how much? 1,200. So all this after doing is, please tell me how much you're going to get it.
31,313, ma'am.
That's it, right? Then last is Elmore's loan. So how much was the Elmore's loan? 15,000. To this one, outstanding was how much? Outstanding interest we should add, no? So how much was the outstanding? Only outstanding interest. 350. So 15,350. So tell me total will be how much? Now come down to here asset side. First, cash in hand, which is in the textbook he gave 638. Then cash at bank, which is given in the cash book 20,000. Then surgical we have mother did not take there, no. So equipments, surgical equipments, which is how much? Surgical 15,750. Then we even forgot motor car also we didn't take there. So how much is a motor car? 8,450. And the last is medicine. Closing stock of medicine, which is 1825. Now see the total. It has to get tallied. Total, Nana.
46,663, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Right. So this is it. Now, 23rd and 21st are same problems, ditto problems. Exact, just amounts are changed, ma. Please follow 21st solution to do the 23rd problem. Fine. Okay, girls. And 24th is also your homework. Like cash introduced is opening capital. Cash introduced means it's a opening capital. So again, we'll not prepare any opening capital here also. Directly income statement and a balance sheet statement. So capital introduced is a capital, visiting fee is a income, dispensary is a income, miscellaneous is a income. Then furniture is a asset, dispensary purchased is a expenditure, salary is expenditure, rent is expenses, conveyance and traveling is expenditure, lighting is expenditure, drawings minus from the capital. Balancing figure that will take as a cash in hand. Then amount still receivable means outstanding incomes. Add to the visiting fee, dispensary, add to the dispensary, and the second effect take on the asset side. Amount payable, add to the dispensary purchase, add to the salary. Again, show it on the liabilities. Even outstanding liabilities. Conveyance to the 40% for the domestic. So just now what we have done, minused from the wages and again minused from the drawing as a drawings from the capital. Same, this conveyance also you'll do the same thing. Furniture is to be depreciated. So this is very simple. You can do it. Okay.